Hello. Everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you guys been following me for some time now, I've been saying that I wanted to do a chunky blanket giveaway once I hit my 1,000 subscribers. Michael's hasn't been letting me be great because they're closed. And I know we're in the pandemic, so we can't really blame them, but you know, I couldn't even do curbside or online because they didn't have it. It's only in stores. But anyways, I was able to find some yarn at my local Walmart. We're doing it, guys. Let's do this thing. You have to be phone. I hear a lot of people that want a chunky blanket, so that's why I wanted to do a giveaway about the chunky blanket. Because okay, bye chunky blanket. Let's go ahead and start with this red one. There's usually an opening. Oh shoot. All right, yarn, where's the opening? Oh, I found it. We found it, guys. Gotta make sure that we have like a nice tail. So wrap it around your hand. All right, now we're gonna loop it in like this. We're gonna loop it again. You guys can't see that, huh? So we already started off with the 3 loops. In my last one that I made with the chunky blanket, I did make the loops a little bit too big. They look like this, you know what I mean? Because I wanted like a bigger blanket. I want this one to be a little bit more cozy, so I am kind of making it a little closer than the other ones. The holes aren't as big. You want to make sure that you make the same size loops throughout the whole blanket to make sure that it's just evened out. Oh god, it's getting tangled up. Do you see how I'm doing it? I'm just making a loop like this and putting it into the previous loop. So I got this yarn at Walmart for about $7 each roll, so it is a little bit more expensive than Michael's because Michael's I can use a coupon. It looks like it has the same type of material. It's a little thinner at some areas than it is with Michael's, but we'll make it work. Let's see how many loops that I plan to make. My last chunky blanket, I did make like 40 loops. Count how many loops I made here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So you want to keep track of how many loops that you make because you want to end up with the same exact number of loops. You don't want to forget one of them because it does come apart and you don't want to just start over. The last time I did it, it took me a really long time because I kept forgetting how many loops I've made and I kept having to redo it over because I missed the loop and it was like getting unraveled. Say you're doing 24 loops, make sure you end with 24 loops, okay? That's how you'll know that you made it correctly and you're not gonna have any do-overs. So I've made 19 loops so far. I think I'm gonna do a good 40 loops and see how far that goes. So we did 45 loops. That's gonna be how wide it is. So let's go ahead and continue. We're gonna turn it over because now the end is on this side now. The ends you're gonna loop up, okay? And then you're gonna start putting this one into the loops that you've made previously. Remember, 45 loops that I started off with, 45 at the end, okay? Oh gosh, please don't mess up. Well, at least you guys know that I'm gonna put in my sweat and tears into this blanket for you. Don't lose your loop. If you are pulling it through, just make sure that you're not pulling the loop right before it too, because then you'll lose it. Do you see this? Oh my god, it's so hard to see. I mentioned in my last video with the chunky blanket that you should do like one color, but it's actually really hard to do one color because you can't tell the difference. We're gonna make this happen because it's for you guys. We're gonna make it very nice. I'm gonna try. Oh my god, where's the loop? Where's the hole? Did I make it too tight? Lesson learned, guys. Don't make it too tight because then it's gonna be so hard for you to find the loop. Man, it's just looking like a complete mess right now. La 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 la. I hope this turns out great. Looking okay? I noticed these yarns, some areas are like thinner than the rest. It's weird. It's not Walmart. Michael's yarn did the same thing too, where some areas are nice and fluffy and voluminous, and then some areas are like this, where they're a little bit thinner. If you plan to make a blanket like this, it's gonna take some time. Whoa, 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 whoa. How the heck do I have more than what I started off with? Let's recount. Wait! 44. Oh, we're on track. 45. Okay, cool. So we have all 45. Thank goodness. Second roll's done. Now we're gonna go to the third. The struggle, guys. I hope this turns out nicely. Please don't at me, okay? I'm trying. After this video, I don't even know who's gonna even want to be entered into the giveaway anymore. They're gonna be like,
oh, that's not made very nicely. Why would I want it?
at least you know that I made it with my heart. Okay, guys, if you guys don't enter it into the giveaway, it's totally fine. I understand. It's something that I handmade for you. You're watching me do it, so I hope that you guys do like it. It might be a little hard to like imagine it in the beginning, but I promise once you make a little bit more, it's gonna lay out flatter. Guys, third row is done. It's looking a little janky. I know. Again, once we do a few more, it's gonna look a lot nicer. So let me do a few more rows and we'll get back. Hey guys, so we're back and this is where we're at right now. It looks like a skirt, but we did run out of the first yarn roll. So I tied a white one at the end. It's okay, it will blend in, trust me, don't worry about it. But yeah, this is where we're at so far. I think because I made it so close that we're running out of yarn quite fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and slowly make the rings a little bit bigger. Maybe that would stretch it out a little bit more. So we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead and continue with doing the loops. We're still at 45 loops, so that's really good, guys. We're still counting and making sure that we still have our loops, so we don't gotta start over. I love these colors. I feel like I chose these colors because I think it's like unisex, like a guy or a girl would like it because it's maroon, white, and black. A guy or a girl would appreciate it. I just wanted to find a neutral color, and I hope that you guys like it as well. It's gonna be my first giveaway, so I really hope that it goes well, and I definitely want to do more. We're at, I think the last time I checked, we're at like 1,060 people are here subscribed to me, supporting me, so I appreciate you guys so much. On my last video, you guys really liked it, and that's with Jimmy. We did guessing girl products. Oh my god, hilarious.
Is that for your boobs?
What? Look, I really like it. Look at this color. I don't know, guys. If it turns out really cute, I think I just might just keep it for myself and not give it to you guys. Just kidding. Dude, this is so big and it's so soft. I hope that whoever wins this is gonna really enjoy this because it's so soft. It's pretty dang big. I am already on my third yarn ball. It's gonna be black. So now we're gonna tie it into a knot. Tie it, make sure it's tight, guys. Make sure it's tight. And then you're just gonna go ahead and continue. Yeah, don't make the holes too small. Like, I get it. For me, I wanted the holes smaller because I didn't want it to be so see-through. But you're gonna have to use a lot of yarn. The black yarn is super soft. Whoa! Why is it so much softer than the rest of the other colors? I really like these colors. Looking pretty nice. Look, look. I like it. I think it's more of a fall color though. So sorry about that. I was limited on what colors that they had at Walmart. When I went and I saw some yarn, I was just happy. Crafting section at Walmart didn't have much stuff overall. I think a lot of people are just at home and wanting to craft. So the yarn section was really low. You know what was even more low? The fabric. There was like barely any fabric left, and usually that area is pretty full. I think that people are at home making like the face mask, and Michael's isn't open, or Joann's. There's nothing left. There's a lot of crafters out there. Where you guys at? Let's be friends. If you are a crafting channel, hit me up. I just thought about it. It kind of looks like Mickey Mouse. This looks like Mickey's face, like the nose and it's his skin, and then the pants. Let me go ahead and show you the brand. I didn't show it in one of my videos and someone kind of just called me out on it. So we're gonna go ahead and continue with the black one all the way through, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. All right, so after 3.5 hours and back pain, we did it. We made the giant chunky blanket. Look how pretty it looks. Oh my god. Woo! It's so big. I love it. It's really cute. It's a lot longer than I wanted because I wanted it a little bit wider, but it actually works. Like, it's not like a big blanket for like more than one person. Okay, just to make that clear. Or two kids. It's so pretty and I really am proud of it. There are some imperfections. There's a few, I'm just letting you know. If you don't want imperfection in your blanket, I'm so sorry. This giveaway is not for you. But I mean, what can you expect when it's Jenny's DIY, right? There's a few, you know, imperfections. I think it's really comfortable because it's super soft. But yeah, this is the giveaway. This is going to one lucky winner. Here are the rules for winning this prize. Number 1 is you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Second, you gotta be following me on my Instagram. I'll leave it somewhere in the screen, around the screen somewhere. Third is in this video, comment down below what your favorite video that I've done so far. I would love to see your comments. This is really honestly a thank you from me to you guys. I appreciate you guys supporting me so much within my YouTube journey. You know that I made this because you literally watched me make this. So it's something special to whoever wins this. I hope that you guys do enjoy it. The giveaway is only open up for the US for the time being. I don't know the rules outside of international as of yet. For now, this is just US based only. And the giveaway will be open until Friday, May 29th at 12 a.m. or 11:59 p.m. The giveaway will close. I'll be announcing the winner in my next video next week on Sunday. So make sure you guys are there to hear who the winner will be. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys don't win, it's okay. There's gonna be more. Trust me, there will be more. You can make your chunky blanket yourself as well. Have a wonderful day, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!